Welcome back to the channel. We are camping tonight. We got Sky, of course. We got the big, beautiful truck. I don't know if you guys noticed something different about my truck, but we're gonna talk about it real soon. What's up, pup? Oh, happiest pup in the world right now. So I'm not alone tonight, which is really cool, and I think you guys are pretty foggy. You wanna say hi to the camera? Oh, thank you. We got one dog, we got two dogs. Hi, Sky. Wow, we're hanging.
It's gonna be good.
This is gonna be good.
I'm excited.
Me too. Tonight we are joined by Jigs and Biggs himself. You guys have seen him before on the channel. I've done multiple podcasts with him. He has his own podcast, which I'll link down below for you guys. We are just about like 20-ish miles away from Berkshires right now. We're technically in New York. And we have a beautiful camping spot tonight that I'm so stoked about. We have a private pond right here, which is apparently loaded with fish. You and I are gonna find that out real quick because we're gonna take some cast. And you know what else you're gonna find out real quick? Is what happened with my truck. I see the comments, I read them, trust me, I know that you guys want me to fix my truck. And if you're like, oh, what spot? Because you're new here, I got you, I'll show you. My truck was really, really bad with a rust spot. When I first purchased the truck, it was a little dent and it had a little bit of rust showing. Over time, it just got bigger and bigger and bigger, and I knew I had to address it sooner rather than later, but financially couldn't really swing it. Saved up some money for it, got it done. I had a really awesome guy named Sean. He runs a small business in Rhode Island and does detailing and incredible work, so I ended up reaching out saying, hey, how much? Gave me a price and I said, let's do it. And it was about a month and a half out of wait because he was pretty booked out, but we got it done. We got it done. It's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. That's pretty gnarly, I will say.
It's not happening around here is pretty amazing to me.
Really?
Yeah, well, that's pretty much it now. But
That is so bad. You can just see the inside.
yep.
Behold. Where do you, rust? Non-existent. Nowhere. Just the gas cap. I know you guys have been wanting me to get this done for so long, but I couldn't really swing it. It's done though, and it looks so good. It looks like a brand new truck again. Well, it's never been brand new to me, but you know what I'm saying. It's so much better now, and it's a Ford, so it's gonna end up rusting eventually again, not right there, but other spots, and we'll deal with that when the time comes. But truck is looking amazing, and there's a couple other things that we also need to address about the truck that I want to A, ask you guys questions and advice on, and B, just kind of show you guys other things that's kind of been going on with the truck that I need to fix. So that being said, sorry for talking so much, but I needed to finally show you guys that it's done. It's over. No more me hiding that spot in my truck. Every single time that I was filming a video, I would try hiding it. Like I would be like self-conscious about it because if I showed it, I knew I would get comments and people getting mad at me that it hasn't been fixed yet. So I've just been like, yeah, you know, it just feels good. I can just take the camera out. Now I can't get judged because it's fixed. Let's go fishing though.
I'm gonna throw a beetle spin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I kind of think it needs to happen.
Okay, hell yeah. I've almost gotten that Bass Pro credit card. Oh my God.
What?
Really big bass.
Really?
I just spooked him. That was like a 5-pounder. I'm not kidding, that was an easy 5. I'm gonna go explore. See what this is about. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Hi. I'm so glad you're having fun. Fish or no fish? There you go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I turned my camera on at the perfect time. Oh my God. I watched him eat it. Remember that fish? I was like, oh, that's probably 5 pounds.
Are you serious?
That's him.
Dude, good for you,
I don't think it's a 5, but that's, I mean, that's at least a 4 something. That, look, feel how heavy it is.
Holy hell, he is chonky. That's a gorgeous fish. Hudson,
My GoPro was off.
look at this. That's the first time you ever saw a fish.
It's a big one too.
It is a big one.
Sorry, my GoPro was off. I saw that he ate it and I clicked the on button on my GoPro, so I don't even know what you guys just witnessed.
Becca, my God.
That's unreal.
Chompy Chomperstein.
I don't want to have to toss him, but it's really tall grass right there. Oh, he doesn't even need a good release. Oh, there he is. There he goes. Bye, bud. Woo, look at this, guy. Caught that fish on the green pumpkin purple, which I actually caught my PB bass on this bait, the blazing worm. Code Becca, GuggenSquad.com. If you want to support the channel, use my code, Guggenbaits. Well, it's called Guggenbaits, but GuggenSquad.com is where you can buy it. Well, I can't say that didn't feel fantastic. I don't know how many big fish are in this pond, but I think there's definitely some more to be caught. But right now, before anything, you can't see it that well, but the camper is really, really messy. And Sky and I are gonna be on the road for the next like week and a half. So I gotta clean up. It just looks like a mess right now. I'm not on dinner duty, which is crazy to say. There's only been like 1 or 2 times ever on this channel that I haven't made some sort of dinner. But I'm not on cooking duty. So a little bit of a surprise for me and you guys on what we're gonna be camping and eating tonight. But nonetheless, this needs to be cleaned. That's really bad. It's really bad, so. Yay, time to clean. And that's what a little TLC. What does TLC even mean? Tender love and care or something? Anyways, doesn't matter. It's looking amazing again. It looks all clean. These 3 draws saved my life with organization and everything, but it looks good in here and I'm happy. I found a new spot to keep my hats as well, and it works out perfect. Let's move on to the next step. We got the truck fixed. It no longer looks like gunshot holes, which a lot of people used to comment that it looks like someone just, it was rust. But anyway, so since that's fixed, my next step is to get new tires because I need really good off-roading, all-terrain, like snow tires, like just a set of wheels that are good for everything. So my question that I wanted to ask you guys is, recommend me tires that you think would work really good for what I do in this truck. I'm hoping to get new wheels before the end of this month, October. We'll see. I do tend to get stuck in the snow, so. Next, my backup camera broke. It wasn't working for, I don't even know, the past 3 months. It would come on and off and it was flashing blue, like was not working static. And then I decided, well, that kind of sucks. I have to buy a backup camera, which is right here. I posted it on Instagram and you guys were like, oh my God, that's a stock backup camera that came from, you know, Ford. So they come and go. That thing's junk. Like, just get a new one. And I listened, and besides of checking myself first, I ordered this, and then I was in my truck the other day, and all I did was wiggle some wires around. Now my backup camera works like nothing was wrong, and now I have just an extra backup camera that I bought. Just return it. I could, or I could put this backup camera on the back of the tiny house trailer and have a backup camera for the tiny house, or I can put this backup camera on the front of my truck and have a front forward facing camera, so when I'm off-roading I can see where I am on the rock and whatnot. So there's actually a lot of options for this to be used, so I'm not really that worried about it because it will get used. I just want to know what you guys think is best. So where to put the backup camera, and recommend me some tires, please. I haven't even opened this yet, so I mean, it had decent reviews and it was relatively cheap. Little flat screen TV. Hello? Yes, then this is the little camera right here, and the camera actually goes on your license plate. So like these 2 holes go to your license plate, and then this is the camera, which you can kind of adjust, and I mean, it looks neat. Caught plenty of fish so far. Clean camping rig. Good old Jigs and Bigs, aka Bobby over there, got me an IPA. Check. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with this. I don't know. You can come, Sky. You can. She's looking at me like, wait, Mom, please. Please let me join. What's up, bub? All right, Mom's gonna catch you fish because I literally just saw some fish over here. Oh, there we go. No. No. Wow. Small victories, right? Even if they're quick. Yes. Oh my God, what a beaut. Look how pretty. Like the colors are insane. Like watch. There he goes. Bye, buddy.
I'm good at few things in life, but this is one of them.
Cooking?
Yeah, this is one of the things I'm pretty good at.
This does look, I mean, it just smells amazing. I think someone's a little sleepy. Sky. Hi, birdie. She's like, Mom, let me go to bed. Look how big his eyes are. He's got little bug eyes. Oh, how did I hook him?
Did you see this terrible tattoo I got?
No.
Silhouette of a girl on the back of the mud flaps.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a fat guy in that pose. And it's something people wanted me to use that as a logo. So bad.
Did you see my new tattoo?
The sky one? Yeah.
Do you know what the dot is?
No, I thought that was like just like a birthmark or something.
It's her spot on her tongue.
Oh,
yeah.
That's so cool.
It's kind of hard to show like on, like.
Here, watch.
So it says Sky, obviously Sky, my dog, and then this right here is a period, but it's in the shape of the spot on her tongue.
So cool.
Yeah.
I should stop swearing because you're gonna have to edit all this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I just got that. That's my most recent tattoo, but yeah, it says Sky, and then the little dot right there is the spot on her tongue. So cute. She's the love of my life. Where is she? Oh, she's in the woods. Oh, let me see that. That looks so good. Really, anything tastes good when you're camping.
Oh, 100%.
Don't get me wrong, but then when it's like actually good food, it's like unbelievable. Can I dig in?
Help yourself. Yeah, dive in.
Oh, so excited.
Oh, dude, this is so...
It tastes phenomenal.
It does?
Oh, it's really good.
I'm glad.
Oh, that's good. What's up, Hudson? You gotta go sleep with your dad in that car. Well, we hung around the fire for quite some time, waiting for it to burn out. As you can see, Sky's exhausted. She's been trying to go to bed for like 4 hours, and it's only like 8:45, not even 9 o'clock yet, I don't think, and Sky's done. So I'm gonna join her, get in the bed for the night, call it a night. Ugh. Say what you want about this time of year. Oh, it's cold out. No bugs. None. I mean, there were bugs earlier, but once it got below 50 or below 60, bugs were gone. But it's definitely gonna be a little bit chilly tonight, and I'm excited. I'm sick and tired of being hot while camping. Taking out my fall sleeping bag. Not winter sleeping bag time just yet, but soon. Crocs off. It's always hard being in an area like this because I have no cell service, so I have no idea what I'm supposed to do to make myself sleepy. Does anyone else play games on their phone to make themselves sleepy? I'll show you guys the game that I'm obsessed with right now. This, yeah, you guys can't see that. It's called Wordscapes. Love Wordscapes. All right, let's get him to bed. Come in. There you go, bub. Rise and shine. It is about as foggy as it gets. Condensation. This is crazy. The grass is soaking wet. This is crazy. He's been up since 5 apparently. Oh, I'm sorry. Hi, handsome. Oh, go get her. Go get her.
Hey, Hudson, you're being a nice boy, okay?
Oh, snap.
That cheese is fake as the day is long.
It literally looks like plastic cheese.
But I got it to melt.
Which is shocking because it doesn't ever melt. Breakfast is already ready. Good morning. Rise and shine, folks. Sky has been behaving super, super well and not jumping in the water. And that's something that she struggles with because she's obsessed with swimming. And she's been listening every time and she hasn't gone in the water, has given me a hard time. So I think this morning we let her swim for a little bit. Come on, go. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, go. What kind of, yep. Nice, there you go. Good girl. Is that all you wanted? Is that all you wanted? This is great. No, not near me. No.
Shake it.
Shake it. I know you want to shake.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
There you go.
Hudson's like, "What?"
Oh, look at that.
That's what I'm saying.
What's in this?
So it's red bell pepper,
Yep.
chorizo,
Yep.
onions, the diced potatoes.
We got bad news this morning, folks. Sky is not successfully going number 2. If you know what I mean. It's not hard. So keep you guys posted on that the next couple of videos, if there are any, because Sky tends to get sick every time we go on a trip together. So we'll see. Maybe she'll get, I don't know. She's pooped like 5 times this morning and it's not actual poop, so, you know. Beautiful morning. The fog cleared up. Sky went swimming. We ate great food. Bobby made us coffee. Beautiful campsite. It was so much fun. It was just so needed. I slept so great last night too. Sky did as well. I'll keep you guys posted and keep you updated on the next episode of like what's going on with Sky. Hopefully she's fine. I swear it's just every time we go on like a trip together, she just gets sick and I don't even know how. I don't understand it. This man is doing good though. I love you, buddy. I love you, buddy. Cleaning up camp. Beautiful mountains. Beautiful mountains. Truck. That's my trash bag. And then we're all good. Make sure to go check out his podcast. That'll be linked down below. Make sure to go check out googensquad.com. Use my code at checkout. Save yourself 10% off. You'll find the bait that I used to catch that big bass on today. And then all the other baits that I use all the time. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Truck's good. Make sure to tell me what tires you recommend for me and where I should put the backup camera and all that good stuff. So you guys know the drill. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll catch you beautiful people on the next one.